Welcome to our channel AG International. Dear friends, today we have brought to you an interesting video tutorial on Roman numerals. Please keep watching till end of this video. Let us move on the topic now.
Dear friends, today I am going to teach you about Roman numerals. Before I start the topic, I'll request you at the end of the topic, if you feel it is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's begin the topic. First we'll see the Roman symbols. Roman numerals are based on the following symbols. Here some basic symbols are given. You can see 1 is denoted by I, 5 is denoted by V, 10 denoted by X, 50 is denoted by L, 100 is denoted by C, 500 is denoted by D, 1000 is denoted by M. So these are the basic symbols. So Roman numerals are based on these basic symbols. Next we'll see the combinations of Roman numerals. How the symbols are combined to each other to form a new Roman numeral. Here you can see 2 times I are combined, 3 times I are combined, 4 IV are combined, 6 VI are combined. If you want to write 9, I and X will be combined. 20 2 times X are combined, 40 XL are combined, 60 LX are combined, 90 X here combined, 200 2 times C are combined, 400 CD are combined, 600 DC are combined, 900 CM are combined. So these are the combinations of the symbol you can see here. Next we'll see some rules. Rule 1. If symbol is repeated, its value is added. If any symbol is repeated, its value will be added. Here you see I 2 times I are written. So I is repeated here. So its value will be added. I plus I is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Here you can see X is repeated. 3 times X written here. So value will be added. X plus X plus X is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Come to rule 2. No symbol is repeated more than 3 times. You cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. Okay, so here you can see 3 is written, maximum 3 times I repeated here, and if you want to write 4, you cannot repeat I 4 times. Okay, so it is wrong. So then how can you write 4? Now you will write 4 I V. Clear? If you want to write 30, so you will repeat X 3 times. But if you want to write 40, you cannot repeat X 4 times. Clear? It is wrong. How can you write X L? This is right. Hope it is clear to all of you. Now come to next. One note is here. In this note you can see VLD, 3 symbols. These 3 symbols are never repeated. Keep in mind, you cannot repeat these 3 symbols. You can write VV, you can write DT, you can write LL. These are not repeated. Okay, this cannot be repeated. Rule 3. If smaller value symbol is written to the right of a greater value symbol, its value gets added. If any smaller value symbol is written to the right hand side of a greater value symbol, then its value will be added. Here you can see VI. I is a smaller value symbol, V is a greater value symbol. It is written, I is written at the right hand side of V. So value will be added here. V plus I is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Next, XII, I smaller value symbol. So its value will be added. X plus I is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. You can see here one more example. So rule 3 is smaller value symbol, if written at the right hand side, its value will be added. Rule 4, if the symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a greater value, its value gets subtracted. Okay, if the smaller value symbol is written to the left hand side of a greater value symbol, then the smaller value symbol will be subtracted. Okay, so here you see I is smaller value symbol, V greater value, so the symbol I is subtracted here, so value of I is subtracted, V minus I is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Ix, I smaller value symbol, X greater value symbol, so the value of I is subtracted here, X minus I is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. You can see two more examples also. So hope it is clear to all of you. Next, here one example is taken. So 16, we'll add 16 as Roman numeral. Okay, so first we'll break 16 as 10 plus 5 plus 1, and 10 is denoted by X, 5 is denoted by V, and 1 is denoted by I. So its result is X V I. Clear? One more example here, 59. So 59 is here broken, and 50 plus 9. So value of 15 we know, the 50 is represented by L, and 9 you can write directly 9ix, otherwise you can break 9 also. 10 minus 1, 10 is denoted by X, 1 is denoted by I. As it is subtracted, I will be written at the left hand side of X, so result is LIX. One more big example here, 1984. So first we will break 1984 as 1984. 1000 is denoted by M, 900 is denoted by CM, 8 is denoted by LXXX, 4 is denoted by IV. So result is M, CM, LXXX, IV. Okay, so these are clear to all of you. And you will see the rules also. And now you see one work is given for you. So this work you try to do. First you read the questions here given, and then you try to solve your coffee. Okay.
If you have enjoyed this video, please click on like and subscription buttons. Your one like and subscription inspired us to upload new videos. Please let us know your feedback in the comment box below. It will help us to improve quality of our program. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of our brand new videos instantly. Thanks for having with us. See you again shortly.